How's it going? Today's video is about us unloading the cars and getting ready to go racing. I'm actually out of town, and Jake's going to go ahead and race the Rabbit for me. He's my backup driver in the Volkswagen series, so hopefully he has a good time, and just need to get the, maybe he'll win the race. Maybe he's the new driver, who knows. Anyways, a little bit of shenanigans from unloading the trailer, so hope you like the video. Check out the link in the description for the stuff we use in the trailer to tie down the cars and things like that. And if you happen to buy something there, it helps me out. So, thanks a lot.
Why didn't you get it and start it?
I don't know.
Just going for it.
Okay. No, not like that. Bolts on this
Right. Sure. This front wheel's halfway off.
So is this one?
Sorry, your left, my right.
Oh.
Go.
Here we go.
Go catch it. Why didn't you get it and start it?
I don't know. Gonna put that winch to work.
Oh, might as well. And then I'll move my hood. Yeah.
What?
That's slick right there.
That's slick right there.
You just go down? Just saying.
Man, you don't gotta show off for the camera like that.
I tried to.
That was quick down slow.
That content. Shit. Oh, put the whole left side.
Put from the whole left side. Oh man, this is a mess. Can we get these ones out?
Okay. Damn. Sewer. Caught me slipping.
Too small, but
Just going for it.
okay. No, not like that. Holy shit.
What? That's power to power.
Yeah, no, it's not.
Here to here, red wire power to here.
Yeah, but the
Blue. You ready to blue?
no, what I'm saying is that the relay does power and ground switching. You know what I'm saying?
I was just jumping power to the side of the motor.
Well, keep trying, and you got 2 more options.
Now just touch it to the black. No, 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 no. There, now see if it'll work. Yeah.
Keep going. Go ahead. I'm getting bound up here, but go for it. Breathe.
Got me sweating. Why did you go to the bumper?
That's the suspension. Wow. Yes, that's good. I was looking at that picture that I had of this thing back in the day, and it had that chrome finger trim on it, just to get that little bit of a lip on the fender.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I got leak. I'm from the control arm. Okay. Yeah, that's right. There was a,
Was it expensive?
yeah, it was expensive.
Nope, I don't remember seeing it.
All right, so we're all loaded up. I'm going out of town. Jake's gonna race the Race Rabbit on Saturday in the Volkswagen Series. The Smurf had to come out because the Smurf and the Rabbit live in the trailer together, and it doesn't have a motor in it, so we messed around with the winch, and we actually did pretty good. 3 guys, took us about 45 minutes to get it in and out.
It's not always about the racing. A lot of times it's about the getting to the racetrack and the time in between the racetrack to get things done. But and just like usual, funny things happen while we hang out. So hope you guys enjoy the video. See you later.